Traders, we have a new indicator. It's this guy down here. This is a higher time frame. It's a multi-higher time frame momentum indicator. This is going to replace our trend sentiment multi-time frame. So what I'll be doing is taking the code from our new indicator here and pasting it in here. Okay, so we're going to do away with this, or how this is calculating and displaying on the chart, this one. Okay, so it will become this. Same thing, it's a multi-higher time frame indicator giving us these buy and sell signals. And it's just a suggested buy. It's not meant for people to blindly trade these. I mean, you can, and you'll probably do okay, but we'll incorporate a little bit of technical analysis. So there's going to be a strategy, and I'll write down my set of rules that I'll be using with this, and you can do what you like with that. Right. But I mean, look at these signals, guys. Which of these would you not want to take? And I think the idea with this even would be to build a position, add to your position. So this is trading gold, for example. Just keep adding to your position while it's trending. And then we include the trend channel. And what this does is it gives you a reference in terms of where you can place your stop loss in the trend channel. Okay, so this is calculated using variations of the average true range. So this is going to help you place your stop losses. Drop that back a bit. So stop loss in the channel here. And I mean, while it's trending above the white line and we get these signals, you can buy. Same thing over here with the sell signals. Look at them. Now you might have a rule where you have to be trending under the cloud here before you sell. So don't take every sell signal, right? But see the breakout of the cloud. Short position is this price breaks out of the cloud, then you sell. Okay, we're under the cloud, sell. Okay, every time a signal paints on the chart, buy or sell. And if you see this trending at a 45-degree angle or close to it, you can get involved. If it's trending sideways, you might want to reconsider. Okay, if it's trading through the cloud, maybe we stay out, right? So we just wait for the breakout of the cloud and then we get involved. Look at all these buy signals here. So buy, and then it really kicks in up in here. Up to you. I mean, in or out of the cloud, but as long as this is trending in this direction, we have something. All right. So what this signal does is it looks at 3 different time frames. Let's have a look at the sell signal here. 3 different time frames. I'll open it up and show you. By the way, you can gain access to this, and I'm going to recommend you jump in now before the price goes up. Seriously, we have the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1 hour. When momentum aligns on these 3 time frames, okay. Here's an example, right? The bottom line is the daily, the midline is the 4-hour, and the line up the top is the 1 hour. When these dots align red on all 3 time frames, we get the signal. The dots align red here on the 4H and here on the 1H. That's where all 3 align red, we get the signal. It's a powerful indicator. This is going to be available to our members today, and I'll announce it in VIP, so you'll be able to remove this trend sentiment from your chart and then reintroduce it, and then you'll find the new indicator. Now the beauty of this indicator is we can set add alert. So click the 3 dots. Let me just close this replay for a second. Right, we click the 3 dots, we add the alert, and you have the choice of only buy alerts, only sell alerts, or buy and sell. Once per bar makes it permanent, create. And you can set that up on any instrument, Forex, crypto, indices, metals, gold, you name it. The indicators are not available for the 14-day free trial. This link here on my website, if you want access to the indicators, you'll have to wait 2 weeks if you take up the free trial. If you want instant access to the indicators, go over here to Forex Signals, scroll down to full membership, and you can click that link there. And there's your options, monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly, etc. If I were you, I would lock this in now. PayPal will lock this in. If you create a subscription or you go with lifetime here, you're going to be locked in at the current pricing. I guarantee you these prices are going to be changing very soon. So I would suggest you snap this up ASAP if you're wanting to gain access at a discount. Okay, so those of you who are full members, I'll make an announcement in VIP as soon as this indicator is available for you, and then we'll be doing tutorials on it on a regular basis. Okay, so with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.